Hello user, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to show you a very simple method to convert a VHDK file to vmdk file. So a few days back I got a situation where we have to install the VMware Fusion on the Mac Ventura, and Mac Ventura in VMware Fusion 13 it's only support the Windows 11. So we have to download the Windows 11 inside preview ARM 64-bit version, but this comes in the VHDK format. So for running it into the VMware workstation, we have to first, or VMware Fusion, we have to first convert it into the vmdk file. So there are a lot of solutions, but today I'm going to show the easiest one you can do this. First you need to go to the StarWind, and then you have to download V2V converter and P2V migrator. This is a free tool, free software. You just need to register your email address for getting the download link. So click on the download, just fill up this form, and once you click on the submit button you will get an email which contain the download link. Alright, so I'm going to open my email box, and you get an email similar like this, and then you have to click on the download, and I'm going to save this file on my desktop. You can save it at anywhere on your system. It doesn't necessary to save on the desktop. And now I'm going to install this application on my system. You just go with the default option, don't change anything, and then click on install. And here's the important thing: if you get something like this message, the only cause of this because of your antivirus. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to terminate this installation process and also exit my antivirus, and then again retry to install this. So I deliberately leave this error message to show that if you got the same message while or during the installation of this application, the first root cause of this is maybe your antivirus. So just disable or exit the antivirus for a while during the installation process, and then you can restart your antivirus. So here I'm going to terminate this process, and now I'm going to again start the installation. I go with all the default option and then click on install. It's take a very little time to install this whole application because it's not a very huge application. Okay, so this time is completely installed, or this time it's successfully installed on my system. Okay, so it's done. Now click on finish. Now just double click on this application, and there you find the different features. So we will go with the local file one because we already download our VHDK file. I have saved my file on my desktop, so here is my vmdk file, just VHDK file. Just select that, click on the next, and now you can also save this file, converted file, as a local, or you can directly send this file on a remote VMware ESX servers or Microsoft Hyper-V, Azure, even on AWS. But I'm going to save this on my local. So this is all the format it can support: vmdk, VHDK. Okay, now I go with the default one, VMware Workstation Global Image. So it will not allocate all the size to your image file, and then click on at the end click on the convert button. It also shows that how what will be the converted size of the image. So it take a while to convert this whole process, so I'm going to pause my video and come back later once this process will finish. So okay, so here the process has been done. Alright, you can convert another image, but I'm not going to do that. Just go to my destination folder, and here you can see the VHDK is successfully converted into vmdk without any error and issue. So this is the simplest way by which you can convert the VHDK file. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.